8 strange signs. Your vitamin D is dangerously low. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into something that many of us overlook but is incredibly important for our overall health. Vitamin D. You've probably heard of it being called the sunshine vitamin because our body makes it when we get exposure to sunlight. But did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in so many essential functions in your body, including your immune system, bone health, and even mood regulation? Despite its importance, many people don't get enough vitamin D, especially in areas with limited sunlight, or if you're spending most of your time indoors. In fact, vitamin D deficiency is much more common than you might think. The signs can be sneaky and easily overlooked. The worst part? Low vitamin D can have some pretty strange and serious consequences on your health. In this video, we'll reveal 8 strange signs that your vitamin D levels might be dangerously low. Some of these signs may surprise you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends. It really helps our channel grow and ensures more people can benefit from this information. Just a quick note, while we'll be discussing important health information in this video, it's important to remember that this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Alright, let's jump right into the 8 unusual symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. 1. Excessive sweating on the head. You might be surprised to learn that excessive sweating on your head, especially on the forehead, can be an early warning sign of low vitamin D levels. Now, we all sweat when we exercise or get too hot, but if you're sweating excessively without any clear reason, it could be linked to a deficiency in vitamin D. This symptom is often most noticeable in infants, but adults can experience it too, especially around the scalp. The reason for this strange symptom is that vitamin D plays a role in regulating various bodily processes, including sweating. If your body is struggling with low vitamin D, you might notice that your scalp tends to sweat, even when you're not physically exerting yourself. 2. Chronic muscle pain. Another odd sign of vitamin D deficiency is chronic muscle pain. While muscle soreness can happen from things like overexertion or injury, constant, unexplained muscle pain or aches might point to a lack of vitamin D. This vitamin plays a critical role in helping your muscles contract and function properly by regulating calcium and phosphorus levels in the body. Without enough vitamin D, your muscle function can be impaired, leading to ongoing pain and discomfort. If you've been feeling achy all over without a clear cause, it might be worth checking your vitamin D levels. Muscle pain can affect your ability to do everyday tasks and can become more severe over time if left untreated. 3. Frequent illness or infections. Vitamin D isn't just important for bone health. It's essential for a strong immune system too. If you're someone who finds themselves catching colds or flu more often than usual, it could be due to low vitamin D levels. This vitamin helps activate the immune defenses in your body, including the production of important infection-fighting proteins. When you're low on vitamin D, your immune system doesn't function as well, leaving you more vulnerable to infections. If you notice that you're frequently sick or take longer than usual to recover, it could be an indication that your body needs more vitamin D. 4. Bone pain and lower back pain. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption and bone health, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that one of the signs of low vitamin D is bone pain. This pain is often most noticeable in your lower back and hips, though it can also affect other parts of your body. Unlike muscle pain, which comes and goes, bone pain is typically persistent and may get worse over time. If you've been experiencing deep, aching sensations in your bones, particularly around the lower back, this could be a sign that your body is not absorbing enough calcium due to a lack of vitamin D. 5. Hair thinning or hair loss. Many people are unaware that vitamin D plays a role in maintaining healthy hair growth. In fact, this vitamin is crucial for stimulating hair follicles and promoting the hair growth cycle. A deficiency can slow down this cycle, leading to hair thinning or even hair loss. This is especially noticeable in women, where hair loss due to low vitamin D can result in bald patches or noticeable thinning of hair. While stress is often blamed for hair loss, If you're feeling extra stressed or your hair is thinning without an obvious cause, it's worth considering your vitamin D levels. 6. Feeling blue or depressed. Low vitamin D levels can also impact your mood, and in some cases may even lead to depression. Vitamin D helps regulate the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone in your brain. A deficiency can disrupt serotonin levels, which can lead to symptoms like low mood, irritability, and even depression. If you're feeling blue or unusually down, especially during the winter months when sunlight exposure is limited, vitamin D could be a factor. It's also important to note that vitamin D deficiency has been linked to seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of depression that occurs during the colder, darker months of the year. 7. Slow wound. Healing. Have you noticed that your cuts or bruises seem to take longer to heal than they used to? If you've been struggling with slow wound healing, it could be due to low vitamin D levels. This nutrient plays a key role in the healing process by helping control inflammation and promoting the formation of new skin and tissue. Without enough vitamin D, the healing process can be sluggish, and wounds may become more susceptible to infection. If you've had trouble with wounds taking longer to heal, it's worth getting your vitamin D levels checked to see if that's the cause. 8. Fatigue and daytime sleepiness. Feeling tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep, is one of the most commonly overlooked signs of vitamin D deficiency. When your body doesn't have enough vitamin D, your energy levels can dip significantly, leaving you feeling sluggish and mentally foggy. If you've been battling fatigue and just can't seem to shake the constant feeling of tiredness, it might be time to check your vitamin D levels. It's one of the simplest things you can correct to feel more energetic and alert throughout the day. Vitamin D deficiency is surprisingly common and can manifest in many strange and subtle ways. The good news is that it's usually easy to fix. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms we've discussed today, consider talking to your doctor and getting your vitamin D levels tested. Fortunately, there are simple ways to boost your vitamin D levels. Try spending more time outdoors to soak up some sunlight. Eat foods that are rich in vitamin D like fatty fish, fortified dairy, and eggs. Or talk to your healthcare provider about taking supplements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Vitamin D plays a big role in your health, so make sure you keep those levels in check.